Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. This is Harshvardhan from IIT Bhubaneswar. In the Python series, today we are going to discuss about the relational operators. There are six type of relational operators. Now we will see what are the six type of relational operators in detail. Now, the first one tells it is, so I will yes. So it is double equals to. So, and one thing, these are the relational operators which are generally used for comparison purpose. Okay. So these are the generally used for comparison purpose. In comparison, we will get only two type of values. The first value is true. The second value is false. These are the only two values that we can expect by this operation when the given statement or given condition is true, we will get a true. When the given condition is false, we will get as a false. So double equals to. So when our condition is satisfying the double equals to, the result will be true. Otherwise, it will be false. It is equals to. It is like it is double equals to simply tells it is equals to equals to. And this automatically indicates it is not equals to. It is not equals to. This is, that this is a symbol of a greater than. Greater, greater than. Of course, if it is a greater than, it is a less than. So greater than, less than equation. And it is called as a greater than or equals to. So greater than or equals to. And the final one, which is nothing but less than or equals to. Hopefully you know everything now by now. So first one is equals to, not equals to, greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equal to. Now we will apply it is in it in Jupyter notebook and see the how the outputs actually come instead of mm, visualizing it. Okay. Now we will start. Now we will we will use the function of a print input and relational operators in a combined way. Now, for the suppose I will take a value a from the input as int input, enter a value. So I will take the input from the user. I will give a value as suppose I will give a value as 10. Okay. So I will check whether my a value is stored or not. Yes, my a value is stored as 10. Now I will take b value from the user itself. So enter b value. So I will take b value from the user and I will give b value as 5. Now I will check whether my b value has been taken or not. I will proceed. Yes, of course the b value is taken. So now I will do the comparison now. First one I will check whether the both a and b are equal or not using the print statement. Okay, now I will use print statement. Print first a comma A equals to, so I will write like this. A, B, perfect. If I execute it, it will give as, you can clearly see it give as is 10 equals to 5. Is 10 equals to 5? No, it is not equal to 5. So it has given as a false. This is how the relational operators will execute. If the condition is true, it will give as a true. Otherwise, it will give as a false. Okay. Now we will proceed with remaining. Now, for our convenience, I will erase this and we will proceed with further. Now, I will do like print. So, for our ease of convenience, I will copy it and I will paste it. Now I will just use here not. It's not equals to, and I will change here with not, and I will execute it. Of course, we know that 10 is not equal to 5, though the answer came as a true. So if you clearly observe, the answer came as a true. So from now, hope you got a clarity how the relational operators works exactly. Okay, now we will proceed with. Here, I will change as third one as greater than. Is A greater than B? Of course, by seeing, we know that of course it is greater than B. So it comes as a true. In the second case, I will change as less than. And I will check whether it comes as a false or not. Of course, it need to become as a false and we will take a confirmation. Of course. Now here we can clearly see for the greater than operation we are getting the value as a true and for the less than operation we are getting the value as a false. So this is what we require and this is what we got. Okay. Now we will proceed further. Now moving on to, now I will use here greater than or equal to. So I will change here as a greater than or equals to. Of course, it will give true because the first condition it will check whether it is greater than or not. So here first it will check whether it is a greater or not. And second it will check whether it is equal or not. So first it will check the greater condition. Of course, it is great. So it is taken. And second, it will check the equal condition. And if it is equal, it will give true. If these both conditions are not satisfied, then the answer is false. You can ask me, as we are using greater or equal separately, what is the necessary of using greater than or equal to? Now, this condition is extensively used in the concept of loops. When the concept of loops come, I will explain you how this, you will only know it, how the greater than or equal to these concepts are widely useful in programming languages. Okay. Now, by proceeding further, I will copy, paste it. I will just use less than or equal to, and I will change the symbol less than or equal to. So it is false because as I have said, the same will be followed now. Now for this case here, you just try to assume it. It will first check the less than condition. If it is satisfied, it will give the answer. And now if it is not satisfied, then it will come and it will check the equal condition. If it is satisfied, it gives answer as true. If it is not satisfied, if the both are not satisfied, now it will use the false as an output. Okay, now you can clearly see is A is less than or equal to B. If 10 is less than B, no. 10 is equal to B, no. It is why the false. This is why we get the answer as a false. I hope you understand. This is how we are getting it. Okay. Now you can also check if I vary the value of A and B. Now you try to see. Suppose if I take a something value C equals to 12 and D equals to 12. If I proceed, if I use C greater than or equal to D, it will give us a true because it has once checked the condition of greater than. It is not greater than, but equality condition is satisfied. True, it has given us a true. In the same way, it will check for less than or equals to also. If I place the less than or equals to also, the answer is true. Why? Because the C condition, but the less than condition is satisfied first. It is not satisfied. Now, equality condition is satisfied. For the equality condition, it is a true. So, our answer is true. So, this is the overall concept of relational operators. Hope you got a basic idea how the relational operator works. If you really like my content, please like the video, share among your friends, and subscribe to my channel. So, thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video.